G'day Australia, Andy Roberts here. G'day friends, family. It's probably been a while. We've been on the road now for 12 and a half months since we sold the house, quit the job and moved. But we've been in lockdown due to COVID, 12 months on the Mornington Peninsula, which I gotta say wasn't a bad place to be locked down in. So plenty to do, plenty of fishing. The sun was great, the weather was awesome. But anyway, Andrew and Christie finally got their caravan and their car. They've sold their house and we're off. But our first night was at Golden Beach. It's a free camp spot on the 90-mile beach in East Gippsland. So we thought we'd try that spot first just to make sure that the batteries and the solar, water and gas, hot water and everything was working fine. So we weren't too far away from Melbourne if we had to go back. Anyway, from there we headed off to Lake's Entrance. Well, this is one of those places, isn't it, where you come in over the top and it's that wow factor, where you just look at that, you see that water, you go wow. And the caravan sites are spaced around the footy oval, and we were lucky enough to get a site right on the river. So then just across the road is the footy ground, and over there for a kick of the footy and chuck the ball around with the kids. Fishing was pretty good too there on the river, and of course you're going to have a campfire in the pit drums.
I can dance.
You can dance too.
Oh, are you getting too warm now?
Yeah, I think she's getting warm. Well, I'll hold the chair.
I saw you.
You're going to do stand? Stand on over here.
Scales.
It's just lying on the ground, so someone's caught a fish here.
Caught a fish here.
Good sign.
Why we fucking caught it? I'm just looking now. Yeah, look.
Yeah. So from Lake's Entrance, we decided just to go to a little winery, and that's a free camp. But as long as you buy your bottle of wine or get a cup of coffee, they don't mind you staying there. And we were the only campers there, so we had the whole campground to ourselves. Again, nice little fire pit, no toilets, you've got to bring your own water, toilets, and take your rubbish back home with you. But again, fire pits and a fire drum, just sit around that, having your drinks and cooking dinner on it.
Starting from there.
So after collecting all that firewood, I reckon it's time to have a beer and get the fire going. So looks like they've got it happening over here. Nice night for it, not a lot of wind. Looks like it's going to be a nice clear day, and it looks like everyone's getting ready for the evening festivities. All right, cheers guys. Our next stop, Pambula Beach. I've never seen so many kangaroos in the time that I've been here. And the fishing, that was just incredible. Andrew got himself a nice little salmon. Bit hard though trying to fish and bring in a salmon when you're also babysitting a 1-year-old child. Go on, yeah, Max. That's right. Keep your old man busy. Keep him on his toes. just turned up to the caravan park, but it looks to me like there's a real tiny little bridge in front of us, so I think we're going to walk over it first. Yeah, it looks like Christie's walking over it first, just to make sure that it's okay to go. I'm just hoping we're at the right place. Alright, here we go, we're going to check it out.
Not together.
Jeez.
Oh, wait, let me turn this over.
Alright, here we go. Well done, Andrew Hayward. Hey, our first river crossing.
Can we call it that?
Yeah, let's call it that.
Look out for some firewood.
You're allowed to have fires, yes, too.
I don't know, yeah. Now we found this little gem of a place called Potato Point. Now it's off-grid, but they do have toilets, you do have water, but you got limited electricity. So the whole place is operated by solar. So if you want to have your kettle and a toaster, you can't have them going at the same time. Just got to watch these. These waves coming in. So we've had a little bit of weather too. So there's still a bit of a surge from the weather front that we had last night. So it's still rolling in. Batu Bay, another little township that we got to. Caravan park is awesome. The amenities are so clean and there's so much for the kids to do. You got the swimming pool, you got the toddlers pool, you've even got a spa bath for the adults. And right next door again is the beach, and the beach was just great for swimming in. The weather was really good there. And I highly recommend Batu Bay. And a nice little place, has a Kmart, got a Bunnings, it's got all those type of things that you need just to stock up on some things. All right, and that's about it. Don't forget, subscribe if you want to, like this video. Don't have to if you don't want to, but it'd be good if you did. And yeah, we'll probably see you in a month's time with a new video. G'day Australia, I'm Andy Roberts. Yeehaw!